Senator Reid, what is your response to Speaker Boehner saying last week, telling his constituents last week that his own members were sort of skittish about moving on immigration, and today saying it's actually the president's fault that he didn't really mean what he said?
So does he know what he mean? Does he know what he said?
I know what he said.
What did he say?
He said today that it's the president's fault that immigration is moving.
But that's my point. What did he say yesterday? Or
Last week he said that his own members didn't want to move.
well, and he also was much more castigating about his own members than what you just said. So I'm glad he's complaining about his members for a change, and I don't have to.